Were you wondering how to use your Moldavite? My name is Sheila Satin, and I'm one of the co-owners here at Satin Crystals. And today we're going to discuss 5 different ideas on how to use your Moldavite crystals. Hold Moldavite during meditations and astral travels. So the most popular metaphysical use for Moldavite is to hold it during meditations and your astral travels. This is because Moldavite has such a high frequency. It vibrates at a very high rate. So people who are sensitive to energies, they report back that when they hold Moldavite, they can feel a tingling sensation. Even if you're not sensitive to the vibrations, once you are in that meditative state, you'll notice that the Moldavite is increasing your vibrations and helping you get up higher to your spiritual self much quicker. You can also do this during your astral travels. Astral travels is when your body is physically here on Earth, but your energy body is traveling in the spiritual world. So for both of these occasions, Moldavite is great for increasing your vibrations. Moldavite at the heart chakra. So this is another great metaphysical use for your Moldavite. The heart chakra vibrates with the colors pink and green, and Moldavite, being a very high vibrating green color, is perfect to activate your heart chakra. The heart chakra is where your love energy lies, so any blockages can really affect your life. So people love to wear them as pendants or as necklaces right at your heart chakra. If you're doing a layout, you can just place a piece on your heart as well. People report back that Moldavite is a very strong stone, just like malachite. So it'll aggressively bring up to the surface all your emotional baggage that you'll have to deal with, that you have been avoiding. But once you do deal with them, it helps to clear out your heart, love yourself, and attract the love that you have been seeking. And just like malachite, if Moldavite is too strong for you during your heart chakra work, you can use a softer heart chakra stone like rose quartz to soothe out the energy. Moldavite for your law of attraction practice. So besides being a wonderful love energy stone, Moldavite is also excellent if you want to program it for abundance. Moldavite is vibrating at such a high rate, and it has been around for millions and millions of years, that it has direct access to your higher self, to universal abundance. So program your Moldavite for abundance and keep it with you throughout your days. So either in a pouch, in your purse, in your pocket. We have these little lockets here where you can place your Moldavite and hang it from a necklace chain and have abundance and remind yourself of your abundance goals throughout your days. Moldavite for an attractive display piece and positive Feng Shui energy. So besides your metaphysical uses for Moldavite, you can also use them as nice home or office decoration pieces. These are all unique specimens. They are very limited in quantity. And because of that, there are a lot of fakes out there. So make sure that if you do have real Moldavite with you, keep it safe forever. You want to display it proudly, and you can place these on little stands. Ours at Satin Crystals come in these nice zero gravity suspension cases. You could also frame them on the wall. Whatever you do, everybody will be admiring them. They'll be wondering what these unique specimens are. You can also place them according to your Feng Shui map or according to what kind of energy you want in each area of the home or office. And this you can find more information about at Satin Crystals as well. Give the gift of Moldavite. Gifting Moldavite is an excellent idea, especially if you are tired of the same old gifts. You know, we have so many gift-giving opportunities throughout the year that you want to give us something a little bit different, something out of this world, and Moldavite will fit that bill. And Moldavite is attractive to both men and women, to young to old, for people who like to do metaphysical work, to people who just like to collect rare specimens, are attracted to things from space and earth. Moldavite comes in jewelry form, rings, and necklaces and pendants are very popular. You can also buy the Moldavite pieces, nicely framed and gifted, and your giftee will be very appreciative. This is something that they don't normally get, and other people will be attracted to them for wearing Moldavite, for having it in their space, because it's something unique and they've never seen it before and they love it. And as you know, if you think about the people you know in your life right now, how many of them have Moldavite? Probably more people should. A popular question that we get at Satin Crystals is that if our Moldavite is genuine. And yes, we only sell genuine Moldavite from the Czech Republic. My sister Lisa, who is a co-owner of Satin Crystals as well, lived in Central Europe for many, many years. She married into a Hungarian family, so we have a lot of great connections with the Moldavite trade in the Czech Republic. And as you might know, it is restricted right now, the mining, so it is very hard to get. The price is going up, the demand is very high because it is such a popular stone right now, because people are finding out about the high vibrations and the metaphysical work they can do, plus the rarity. So at Satin Crystals, we only sell you genuine Moldavite. We have an article about how to tell if your meteorites are real or fake, and that'll help you out as well. But if you're looking for genuine Moldavite, we have jewelry, we have pieces. They do go fast. We try to replenish them whenever we can, but we will see you at Satin Crystals for your next Moldavite purchases. Thank you for joining us today on the top 5 uses of Moldavite. If you have even other uses that you use for your Moldavite, please do comment below. We would love to hear them. If you need real Moldavite jewelry and stones, we have a whole Moldavite and meteorite collection at Satin Crystals. We will see you there. And while you are there, don't forget to join the VIP club, because then you'll get information about meteorites, about metaphysical energy, about crystal healing all throughout the year. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals, and thank you for spreading the light into our universe.